my career started 18 years back, but I'm an accidental salesperson. I never wanted to be in sales, but when I passed out in 2002, it was the peak recession year, and there were hardly any jobs available, and my parents were very keen on getting me married. So I knew that I need to get a job and get out of the house, otherwise I would get married. And the first company that came to our campus was HCL, and I got placed in HCL, and I just ran from my home. We are a conservative Marwadi family. Not so many girls work in our community, at least back then not too many girls worked, and sales was an absolute taboo at that point in time. So it was, it was quite a scene. But yeah, that is how my sales career started. But after that, there has been no looking back. It has been a most creative profession. It has been extremely fulfilling. I have worked in enterprise sales for last 18 years. And I have, seen the sales cycle evolve from selling a product to selling a solution, then to going to customers, solving their problems, to a stage where it is at co-creation level. We are co-creating solutions with customers. So this has been the evolution for me. So the whole ecosystem has, come to my rescue at various points in time. For many years, I believed that I am a superwoman, and then I realized that I am not. And it is absolutely alright to seek support, accept help, and give help. And that actually works as a superpower. For 5 years, I worked in HCL Enterprise Sales, and from there I moved to HP. It was a much bigger role where I was managing 2 verticals. From there, I moved to Wipro, where I was doing solution sales, and I worked in BFSI segment. I was managing all the banks in South and technology sales to those customers. The real transition journey. I took up a senior management role and I moved to CMS IT services. I decided to do something which I had never done, which is, creating partner ecosystems. I created that whole ecosystem from scratch, and that made me learn the entire sales process, the entire partner onboarding process, and how a company works. I got a full understanding of that. So earlier in my career in sales, I learned one thing, that nobody is rejecting you. Either they are rejecting a product or a service. So the amount of rejection that you receive in the profession is not a personal rejection. So you have to keep going back. Sales is a process in which you build relationships. At the same time, you have to be very tactical. You have to chase a number. So there is a big picture and there is a tactical engagement that you build in, and it is like an endless loop. You can never be satisfied saying my quota is done. Your quota is done for this quarter, then you have a quarter coming, then you have a year coming. So it is like a loop which keeps on going, and there is nobody but you who are going to feed into that loop. At the same time, you have to ensure that you are building very meaningful and deep relationships. So this is something I learned very early in my career, and that has helped me stay grounded, and that has helped me do my numbers year on year. So this is one mantra which I learned early on. And the industry transition that I have seen, that nobody is interested in what product you're offering or how great your product is or how great your solution is. If you are able to solve a customer's problem, and if a customer's life is becoming easier using that product or service, or they are able to beat their competition, they are interested in that product. All the high-end sales is now on use cases and the problems that we can solve with the customer. So this is a huge transition which I have seen in the industry. And earlier the technology was changing every 3 to 4 years. If you learned something, it stayed for 3 years with you. Now then it became annual, 6 monthly. Today it is daily basis, and especially in this COVID situation, I have seen new trends coming in by the days. So it is an ongoing process, and no organization is going to invest in your learning. Learning has become a personal goal. there were a lot of sales trainings and enablement sessions that used to happen when I had started sales career. Today it is absolutely personal, and if you want to succeed, you have to take ownership. I told you initially only that there are a lot of myths associated with sales. In fact, sales is a very flexible profession. Only work from home option is not there. You have to be on the field with the client, and COVID has changed that also. Now sales is also happening from home. All international clients, national sales, I am doing sitting right in my living room where I am giving interview to you. This is where I work. So COVID has changed that as well. So I think this is a huge opportunity for women. Whatever was stopping them from taking sales roles, which was across geographies because they didn't want to live out of suitcase, COVID has changed that. Now even the management is thinking that why so much travel is required. If it's a small closure, it could be done over a call. So this is a huge opportunity for women who were not able to make big in sales. COVID has changed that. So I was blessed to have very, very good bosses. I mean, I worked with some of the fantastic people, and I will share two stories with you. When I became mother for the second time, it was double the load because I already had one child and one more child got added, and I was at a fairly senior level. So I was feeling the heat, and I went with my resignation. I have always woken up say around 4:35, and that gives me some 2 hours ahead of everybody else. By the time the whole house gets up, my planning is done. I exercise, I plan, I get a lot of me time. So that has been my success mantra all these years. And second very wonderful story I will share with you, that I used to manage all the banks in South, and I was a star BFSI salesperson, and I was close to all my customers, and the whole conversation of bank mergers were going on. So my customers really pushed me, and they told me that Neha, these banks are going to get merged, so you need to think of alternate career for yourself. And 5 years back they had envisaged that there will be only 4 banks left, and they pushed me into strategic alliances, and I have never found a job for myself. All these jobs that I have done are found by my customers, and they have referred, and I have just gone and given the interview. So this move to strategic alliances also was heavily driven by my customers. I will share 3 professional trends and 2 personal trends. So in sales, a very important trend that has emerged, that the era of Babuji sales, right? Where you would go and build relationship with the customer and cry on customer's shoulder, tell him that you have so much of quota to do, and wine and dine and get orders. That is gone. It's over. And with COVID, there are no face-to-face meetings. The Babuji sales has become even more difficult. So it is going to be value-driven sales going forward. So that is something which is clearly emerging as a trend. Second big trend that I see is that salespeople will have to learn much faster and will have to learn on daily basis, because there are newer and newer things which are coming in the market. No organization is going to take responsibility of upskilling, and automation, digital, customer experience, these are the things that are going to stay, and all the upcoming jobs are going to be in cloud, automation, in terms of digitization, digital. These are the things in which all the jobs are going to be in future. These are the future technologies if you are in tech sales. So these are some things on the professional front. And in personal side, I think the concept of work-life balance is gone. If you're trying to balance, you will always be out of balance, is what my observation is. If you are in a situation, it is best to maximize that situation. I think that, and integrate work and life. They are not two separate things, and COVID has made it even more difficult to separate it. So a work-life integration today is working very fine. People are willing to understand that you have a kid or the kid has exam and you will take revision for 1 hour and then you will be available for a meeting. That has become perfectly alright. It is an absolute acceptable norm today. So work-life integration is a very strong trend which is emerging. I would have a message for all the women, who are early in their careers, or who want to make big in their careers. It can be sales, it could be in technology. Perseverance is really going to pay long term. Even if right now you feel stagnant in your career or you have too many responsibilities at home, my earnest suggestion is don't quit. If you quit, coming back is extremely difficult. So if you can sustain, please sustain. If you can't sustain, that's a different matter altogether. But if you are just feeling that things are not perfect, life is not perfect. And it is absolutely okay if you are not perfect. Nobody is looking for perfection. People are looking for results. So if you are able to deliver results, that is good enough. Focus on results, don't focus on perfection, and hang on. Persistence really pays off in a big way. If your male colleagues are doing better than you, they have more time to network, they are able to showcase themselves very well, don't worry. It is all about results. Focus and deliver results. That is my number one message to all the ladies out there. And invest in your own learning. You are your best resource. What happens is, in so many things on our head, and we have just so many people to take care of, the only person we neglect is our own self. So please keep on learning. Take care of your health. Health is wealth. If you are healthy, you will be able to take care of everybody else much better. You will be able to do much better for your own self. So take care of yourself. And third and most important thing is, have lots of fun. What's the point of living a life if there is no fun in that? So the whole thing of working, learning technology, having a family is to have so much fun in life. So please go out and have all the fun available. You will see your performance also improve drastically with this.